Hello everyone. I'm just gonna review this one for today. Uh, I got it from someone about a month ago. Yeah, he had really many like vintage model kits. Yeah, it's all airplane, fighter jets mostly. So this is from AMT ERTL. I know that the company name, but I don't remember. I haven't bought any from them. Oh, maybe some. Maybe some. The Star Wars series. Yeah, they made Star Wars series, so I bought a few long time ago. Yeah. I don't think it's a good quality. Yeah. So it's been a long time. I work on this AMT company. But you know what? It's actually pretty good. In some point of view, kind of a little bit better than level. Not level. Revel. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, Revel. I mean, better than the company Revel, the famous model kit company, but they don't make many model kits these days. Yeah, so like this was very old, like 80 or possibly 70 or early 80s. I bought it for like $10, actually less than $10, because I bought total 8 model kits for $50. Great deal. Hmm. So I built it, painted. It didn't have the pilot in it, so I put the pilot from other kits. This pilot is from F-18, I guess. Yeah. So this is 48 scale. hmm It's called F4 Phantom Wild Weasel. I don't know what that means, Weasel, whatever. Yeah, it's Wild Weasel. Yeah, the kit quality was pretty good. Better than I expected. Much better, actually. Yeah, so I finished it like gloss coat for the finish. Yeah. Usually I don't do the gloss, but I just wanted to do like this. I don't know why. Yeah. Because sometimes it look better with glossy finish. And actually the fighter jet, it's like not flat, it's like semi gloss, you kind of a little bit glossy. Yeah. That's the proper finish, I think. This one's like it's not semi. This is full gloss. Hmm. Still not too bad. Like this. I didn't make the missiles yet, so I don't know if I'm gonna make it or not. It's getting lazy. All the panel lines very good too, and very deep. Oh wow, this one's better. Like this. Wild Weasel. Weasel. I'm trying to sell it now. I bought it for like less than $10 and I built it. Now I'm selling it for 80 bucks. Nobody's interested so far, but who knows? I just sold one. Yeah. Someone bought it like it was F-14 Tomcat. Yeah. It's sold for $60. Actually, it was a very low price for the effort I put in, but it's okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it for now. That's it for today. Oh, I show you the instruction. I didn't have the box. Yeah, he didn't have the box, so I just bought it. He put it on another box, not original. So this one. AMT ERTL Wild Weasel F-4G Phantom 2. What year is this? Let me check. I cannot see any. Whatever. Anyway, it's old kit. At least over 30 years, I guess. Okay, anyway, thank you very much and see you next time. Okay, bye.